too, bro. We'll do it.
It really ain't bad though. It's fucking fun though.
Yeah, why not?
Hey, can I give a countdown on this one though?
Of course you can.
Let me get a countdown. You want it for 5 or 3,
Keep your
bro?
legs out straight.
Straight.
Yep, put your arms out in front of you.
Nah, that's sketchy, man.
No hold
Nah,
on, no
fuck it,
sissy
I'm
bars.
Sissy bar.
Now, the arms out straight, look into that camera.
Alright.
You gotta count back from 10 as loud as you can.
Nah, cause y'all gonna do this bullshit and let it go.
Alright guys, start counting.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 7. Crazy, bro. I pay $100 to do that again. We still up there. This shit feels so fucking good. We still up there though. Oh, that's well worth it. We stay up there, yo. Bro, only L's I take, bro. I sit up here, dog. That shit lit, dog. That shit feels so cool. It ain't even. Falling out the sky gotta be feel better than that, though. You know what I'm saying?
Dude, we got a minute and a half until the free fall.
Hey, real shit, though. I ain't going again. My head's spinning.
No, we good, bro.
He said don't hold him sissy bars. I said.
It's no sissy
I
bars.
grabbed the bitch when we went up. I said,
That's sissy. Hey, we got the LEDs though. I wish you'd left it to my phone.
I'd have dropped that bitch. That bitch was flying. But I didn't even know where I was at. I was just fucking up.
This shit was fun as fuck.
That shit got a skill for skydiving, though. Yo, if we fall now, we ain't going nowhere. I want you to. Go ahead, man. I'm telling you, I'm done, man. My head's spinning.
Hey, that shit was raw. Raw.
So you wanna go again?
Ah, we good. Got my head spinning.
That shit was fun as fuck.
Push forward.
There you go.
Where we pay the 15 at?